Welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Simple and delicious, that's my motto, and today we'll be following that. The star of the show is crab stuffed mushrooms. Delicious. As an appetizer, I'll be using some Crimini mushrooms, the small little brown ones like this. Conversely, if you want to make this a main, you could use the big portobello mushrooms, put more stuffing into it, and have that as a main. To start out with your mushrooms, you want to pop the stems off. You'll see some recipes out there that use the stems back into their filling. I, however, will put these aside. Maybe tomorrow I'll make myself a mushroom omelet. But I think there's enough mushroom flavor in here. So you pop these off, and if you want to get a little more room in there, you can use a spoon, go around the edge, and make a little extra room for your stuffing. So let's get to the stuffing. So in a bowl we will mix 1 cup of shredded cheese. It's an Italian mixture of mozzarella, Parmesan, Romano, and provolone. You can find these already mixed up and shredded in bags at your local grocer. Then we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. And then 6 ounces of crab. This was just right out of a can. A tablespoon of parsley. Some finely diced spring onions. When I say finely diced, I mean like that, very finely diced. You don't want big clumps of onions in your mixture. 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. And a teaspoon of dill. And 1 or 2 finely diced garlic cloves. And I'm going to season it with some Old Bay seasoning. Season it to your liking. And we'll put another little dab of that when we stuff the mushrooms. So we'll mix this up all real well. Take your time when you're mixing this up. You want to get it well mixed till it's like a paste. And then we'll start stuffing our mushrooms. Okay, I've got a couple more to stuff. When you're stuffing these, be generous with your stuffing. You want to get that to plump right up over the top. Like so. There's enough stuffing here to do about 12 to 15 mushrooms. Just like so. Okay, let's get these in the oven. I'm using a tinfoil pan, easy cleanup. Little dab of olive oil, spread it around with a paper towel just to prevent any sticking. Oven's preheated at 375. We'll pop it in there for about 20 minutes. A little more Old Bay seasoning just for a little extra flavor on top. You can cook these on the barbecue as well. 375, medium to high heat on the top shelf. Close the lid, 15-20 minutes, they're done. Let's get these in the oven. And there they are. Don't they look delicious? Oh boy, my favorite time, I get to try the goods. They have like a nice little crust on them. That's what you're looking for. Oh my. Cheesy, ooey gooey, and crab. You can't beat it. Your friends and family will love them. In fact, I'm going to go share these with my neighbors. Don't forget to subscribe to my video. You'll get notified every Monday when I put out a new one. Thanks for visiting In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
Is coming in.